Hey, everybody. Oh, did I do that early? Hey, everybody. Okay. Hey, everybody. Adam Savage in my cave with a mailbox special because I just got a sweet package in the mail. And no, it's not an orange iPhone 17, although this betrays extremely good taste. I'll just take you through this box as I opened it because I pulled this up and I saw, oh, a little custom 3D printed box. Let us see oh, there's a letter. Here we go. Okay, let's read this. Hey, Adam. During the last live stream, this is just a couple weeks ago, you spoke of wanting to acquire some lignum vitae. And I just happened to be fiddling with a lignum vitae fob I had made 2 weeks previous. Lignum vitae is often referred to as the densest, hardest wood in the world. It is often called ironwood. It has been used to make ships in the past. Lorne Peterson at Industrial Light and Magic had a couple of sculpting tools he had hand carved out of lignum vitae, and they were surpassingly beautiful to hold. Its density means that it's physically wrong. When you pick up a piece of lignum vitae, it feels wrong in your hand. It feels like it's a little too dense, a little too heavy. It feels a little too ceramic. He continues, it's Argentinium lignum vitae, of course, given restrictions. These are international restrictions on rare woods, but close to genuine, and the smell is so good. He included a fob, a bottle of sawdust, and a small block of lignum vitae to dabble with. Retain what you wish and freely recycle the rest. No sentiments. As a longtime fan, tested member, and lifelong maker, thanks for all your efforts, man. Keep at it. Dan Sylvia. Dan, dude, thank you for this beautiful thing. And also, your gift giving. Clearly, I believe gift giving might be your love language because this is a delightful reveal. You have 3D printed a box in which it looks like you've actually chosen the layout pattern of how it printed. Oh, this is totally custom, man. You didn't just have a box. You actually built a box specifically for these 3 chunks. Oh my gosh. That is a chunk. That is a bottle of sawdust and an old Tester's paint bottle. And here is the fob. You hear that? Sounds like plastic. Yeah, man. This is some close grain. Oh my God, Dan, this is so beautiful. Now I gotta figure out what I can. I'll tell you, the first thought I had when I cracked this open was the idea of making like a 1/2-inch nut. Just like using this to make a piece of industrial hardware. I just thought of that because it would please me. But I don't know, man. This is a lovely, lovely. I really appreciate you hearing what I've said in the live stream, and that it dovetailed with something you were working on, and then you went to all this extra effort for this beautiful reveal. Dude, does your partner like brag about your awesome gift giving, or do they keep it a secret because clearly you are a master? Dude, even this box is gorgeous. This is not a request to send me stuff. You don't have to. I am just fine. I get all my own toys. But I'm also extremely grateful for this. This is a beautiful gift. I cannot wait to mess with it. I will make sure that all my chisels and knives are extremely sharp before I apply them to this lignum vitae. Thank you all for joining me. Oh, you know what I'd love to know about? I'd love to know in the comments about your favorite woods to work with. I recently was planing some ebony for a headstock veneer, and I found like I just love ebony. Like, oh my God, it's so greasy. Ebony feels like a raven looks, right? It's greasy but smart. I don't know. If you were in here, you'd understand what I mean. But ebony had a kind of a butteriness and a way in which it moved under sharp tools that was great. Tell me about some other woods you love that are fun to work with. Dan, whatever I build with this, I promise I'll film it. Thanks you guys for joining me for this Mailbox show and tell, and I will see you next time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. One of my favorite things we make in our tested store are demerit badges. These are like scout badges, but for screwing stuff up, because screwing up is not just a part of the making process, it is intrinsic to it, and we like to celebrate that. We've got 27 so far in the supervisor's bundle that you can go buy right now by clicking on the link in the description, but we also have a booster pack of some brand new patches. This is the demerit badge for burning off your eyebrow. I am proudly sewing that to all of my clothes. This is the demerit badge for having a messy workbench, which I do not get today. My workbench is super clean. And we have new octagonal patches that are, merit badges. This is the merit badge for sweeping up your shop. Congratulations, I'm so proud of you. And this, oh my God, this is great. This is the merit badge for creating a clean space on your bench. Hey, we got to take our successes where they come and meet them there. Go to the tested-store.com or adamsavage.com to buy any of these, or click on a link in the description.